Can someone at General Motors please explain to me why I need to remove the entire turbo out of a car to replace one tiny coolant line? Maybe it's because they decided to put it for some reason between the engine and the turbo, exposed to large amounts of heat and shielding a rubber hose with a little piece of tin foil. Not a great choice among all the other terrible issues this engine had, including timing chains, timing chain guide failures, timing chain covers leaking. You name it, this car's had every type of leak and every type of failure in the books. And I think part of that is maybe because they chose to run it at 221 degrees, which is absolutely ridiculous. Come on, GM, do better.